Good morning, class ninth. In previous video, in previous class, in previous lecture, we have already studied about the socialism in Russia and also the Lenin and socialist movement, in which we have already studied about the Bolsheviks and Mensheviks. Now today we are going to continue about the topic A Turbulent Time, the 1905 Revolution. In the beginning of the 20th century, Russia was still an autocracy and the Tsar was not subject to parliament. And the Tsar was not subject. Tsar means, once again, I ask you that Tsar means the king. So the king and aristocracy was not the subject of parliament. During the revolution of 1905, social democrats and socialist revolutionaries worked with the peasants and workers to demand a constitution. They were supported. They were supported in the empire by nationalists and in Muslim dominated areas by Jihadists who wanted modernized Islam to lead their societies. A bad time for Russian workers. The year 1904 was bad for Russian workers because of increase in prices of essential goods. Then the real wages declined by 20%. The real wages of the workers declined by 20%. That was not fair for the Russian workers. The membership of workers' association rose dramatically. That's why the membership of workers' associations arose dramatically when four members of the Assembly of Russian Workers, which was formed in 1904, were dismissed at the Potilo Iron Workers. Thousands of workers went on strike. When four workers were dismissed, then thousands of Russian workers went on strike. They demanded a reduction in the working hours. Their demand was to reduce the working hour to 8 hours. They had to work at that time. They had to work at that time 12 to 15 hours in a day. So their demand to reduce the working hour, that is 8 hours. Yes. So their demand was the reduction of working hour, that is 8 hours. That should be 8 hours. An increase in wages and improved working conditions. Thereafter, the incident of Bloody Sunday. I think my previous video is already on this topic, so don't mind. I repeat the explanation because this is a very important topic. The incident of Bloody Sunday. In 1905, on the day Sunday, on one Sunday, the procession of workers led by Father Gapon, a procession of workers whose leader was Father Gapon, reached the winter palace of the Tsar in order to present a petition, but they were attacked by police and Cossacks. In this incident, nearly 300 workers were wounded and many were killed. That's why this incident is called Bloody Sunday. It started a series of events that became known as the 1905 Revolution. After that, a series of incidents had been happened. That's why this is called this is this is called 1905 Revolution. Whatever the events, the trend of strikes is spread all over the country. Universities closed down when student bodies staged walkouts, complaining about the lack of civil libraries. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, and other middle class workers established the Union of Unions and demanded a constituent assembly. During the 1905 revolution, the Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament that is known as Duma. A large number of trade unions and factory committees made up of factory workers also existed for short time. Severe restrictions were placed on political activities. So that's all. In next video I will give you the First World War and the Russian Empire. Thank you.